What is up, YouTube? We are here today with Tommy's 2014 Viper GTS that has been newly supercharged. So Tommy just picked up his car. He had a Procharger F1X series blower installed on this thing, as well as catalytes or high flows? High flow catalytic converters, and what catback?
Corsa.
And a Corsa catback exhaust. I had done another video on this car when I installed the K&N cold air intake, which obviously is gone now. So he has this new Procharger installed. It's making about 5.5 pounds of boost. They had tried to tune it on the factory ECU, and it was not within proper parameters that they were getting it to operate properly. So he installed a Motec standalone ECU, which was a pretty penny. So now the car is finally back. It had dynoed at about 680 rear wheel horsepower, and it sounds like a rocket ship. So we're just gonna go over some sound clips, some pulls, and you guys let me know what you think. He has the Procharger blow-off valve here. It is not a factory style recirculating valve, and everything, if you can make out the fitment on these kits is extremely tight. It almost rubs right there on the fan. Hoses are touching the back of the shroud, and it is super tight fit. Took a lot to get this installed properly, and there's not many of these Procharged Vipers out there. So without further ado, let's start her up and see how she sounds. Well, hot digging it down. Sounds like a damn jet. Alright guys, we are back from our test drive, and all I have to say is wow, this thing pulls like a beast. I have some other videos up of me driving the car, and it was definitely fun, but it is nothing like how it is now. I mean, this thing is a monster. The noises it makes, the sounds, the exhaust pops like you wouldn't believe. It's impossible to actually catch it sounding good in a video, but in person it is so loud. It pops nice. The blow-off valve sounds sick, and it just sounds like you're in some jet engine plane with all of these noises going on, and it pulls so hard, throws you right in your seat, and it's only at 5.5 pounds of boost right now. So hope you guys like this. If you have any comments or questions about the Procharger setup, feel free to drop them below and I will try to get you the answer. And I hope you guys enjoy the video.